Hi, welcome to Cecily YouTube channel. This is a sunset. Let's use some crayons. Okay, what we want to do is pick it up. Use your 2 fingers and a thumb and pick it up. And then flip it. Awesome. Put your hand here on your pinky and let's get started. Back and forth. Back. Oh, let me fix that. Great. Back and forth. Back and forth. Ooh, let's go down. What color is this? Yes, it's yellow. Everyone say yellow. Wonderful. Great. Let's take another color. Up, pick it up, and then flip it. Beautiful. Now you're going to figure out what works for you, and we're going to go to the left of the paper. Wonderful. Hold it down. If you need to hold the paper down with your other hand, hold it down. Up, I'm going to move my hand back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. This is the right of the paper. Now I'm going to go back and forth, drawing back and forth. Wonderful. What color is this? Yes, it's orange. Oh, here we are. Pick it up and flip it. Great. Rest your hand there. Figure out what works for you and let's go to the top of the page. Hold it down with the other hand. Back and forth. What color is this? Yes, it's red. Wonderful. Oh, I'm at the right side of my paper. Back and forth. Back and forth. And now I'm going to have to move my hand and go to the left side of my paper. I moved my hand. Wonderful. Great. Ooh, I'm going to add more. I don't want to see any white of the paper. I'm just going to rub and scrub and dub my crayon back and forth. And now I'm going to the bottom of my paper. This is the bottom of the paper. Awesome. So what else can I do? Let's get some glue. Ooh, I'm turning it where the green part is. Where it's colorful, turn it. Great. Now I'm going to lightly pinch. Just pinch, pinch, and the glue will come out. So here's my paper. This is a dot of glue. Everyone say dot. Yes, it's a dot of glue, and I'm lightly pinching it, and I'm getting a little tiny bit of glue, and that will go a long way. Turn the paper with both of your hands. Both of your hands. Put it on the bottom of your paper and smooth it out. Beautiful. If you have time, you could take your purple crayon and you can press down and add some birds. Fabulous. So thank you so much for tuning in, liking, and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Enjoy.